Hi, this is Chef Nina, and today we're going to be making a spiced chicken soup. First, we're going to try to do this great spice blend. So we're going to do about 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's going to be the seasoning that's going to go onto your pound of chicken and into your soup. So first, we're going to warm up our oil into the pan. We're going to quickly cook our chicken, and then when our chicken is no longer pink inside, we're going to remove that from the pan, and all of our vegetables are going to go in. 2 chopped sweet onions. We're going to do about 1 cup of chopped red pepper, 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper. We're going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic, a little bit of salt also to go in that to flavor all of those vegetables. We're going to do 2 cups of fresh corn kernels. You're going to use about a 32-ounce carton of chicken broth, or 4 cups. And you're going to do a 28-ounce can of fire-roasted crushed tomatoes and 2 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. Then we're going to add the chicken. So you can serve that on the side with maybe some avocado slices on top or a little bit of queso blanco, anything like that on top, maybe even serve it with a side of rice. It is absolutely to die for.